Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Dojo card machine. First, carefully unbox your new Dojo device and ensure all components are present, including the power cable and any accessories. Next, connect the power cable to the machine and plug it into a reliable power source. Once powered, turn on the device and simply follow the initial on-screen instructions to begin the setup process. After powering on, you'll need to connect your Dojo machine to the internet. Choose between a Wi-Fi connection or a wired Ethernet connection for stability. Once connected, log in using your unique Dojo account credentials. The machine will then display your business details. Please confirm these are accurate before proceeding to the next step. This ensures your transactions are correctly attributed. Now it's time to customize your Dojo machine to fit your business needs. You can adjust various settings, such as enabling or disabling tip options and choosing your preferred receipt format. After customization, it's crucial to perform a small test transaction. This confirms everything is working correctly before you start accepting customer payments. Also, explore the transaction history menu to understand its features. For daily operation, always ensure your Dojo machine is fully charged and kept clean for optimal performance. If you encounter any technical issues or have questions, remember that Dojo's customer support is readily available to assist you. They can help troubleshoot and guide you through any challenges. Also, for those looking for great deals and to stay hydrated, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic offers. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.